Sky Blue Credit Honest Review, watch before using. If you're looking to repair your credit effectively without wasting time or money, this Sky Blue Credit Review will help you decide if it's worth it. Sky Blue Credit Repair is a well-known service designed to help individuals improve their credit scores by addressing inaccuracies in their credit reports. It's tailored for anyone struggling with a low credit score or facing financial hurdles due to errors in their credit history. The service shines with its simplicity and transparency, offering a straightforward monthly fee of $79 with a 90-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. Unlike other credit repair companies, Sky Blue doesn't overwhelm you with upsells or confusing packages. It focuses on disputing 15 items, 5 per bureau, every 35 days. One standout feature is their customized dispute letters. They don't just send generic templates, they carefully review your credit reports and craft specific challenges for inaccurate or questionable items like late payments, charge-offs, or collections. Plus, they provide credit score assistance by offering guidance on actions you can take independently to boost your score. For those who need help understanding their credit reports, Sky Blue includes a personalized credit analysis as part of the package. They also have a goodwill letter service and negotiation tools to assist in settling debts or improving relationships with creditors. Another reason Sky Blue Credit is worth considering is their exceptional customer service. Their team is approachable, knowledgeable, and easy to reach by phone or email. The company's straightforward cancellation policy is another plus. You can stop the service anytime without penalties. However, Sky Blue isn't for everyone. If you're looking for rapid results or need help with more complex issues like bankruptcies or legal cases, you might find it less effective. Credit repair takes time, often a few months, so patience is crucial. In terms of trust, Sky Blue Credit is accredited by the Better Business Bureau with an A+ rating, and they've been in business for over 30 years, giving them credibility in an industry often filled with questionable players. However, it's essential to remember that no credit repair company can guarantee a specific increase in your score. It depends on your unique situation. In conclusion, Sky Blue Credit is an excellent choice for those seeking an honest, straightforward approach to credit repair. It's best for individuals with inaccurate items on their credit reports or those who need guidance improving their credit score. For $79 a month, you get reliable service, expert advice, and peace of mind.